I apologize in advance for the quality of the video. I used a webcam on my computer instead of a better quality camera, and next time I will actually use a GoPro or some type of high quality camera. Therefore this quality will not be an issue further on. But continuing, feel free to enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, I'll be demonstrating how to replace or add RAM to your MacBook Pro 2009 and newer. So we'll start off by unscrewing all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 bottom screws on the bottom side of the Mac. Okay, once all those are removed, just simply pick up and remove the bottom casing. Now, the easiest thing to do to take it out is just push on these two tabs, one left and the one on the right, or for you, one on both sides. You push outwards, it will release the first stick of RAM, and there generally is a second one right underneath. You do the same, bottom and then top. So that is out. Let me just wiggle it out real quick. I don't have fingernails. There we go. So these are two 2GB sticks, as you can see. I'm going to get rid of those. We're going to install 2 sticks of 4GB RAM, so that will maximize the RAM allowed by this computer. So once I can get this box open, I will show you. Okay, so 2, well in this case this is 1, I opened the wrong container. Here we go. 1GB, or 2 sticks of 4GB, totaling 8. So there's 2 sticks. I'll include in the video description where you can get these. But simplest thing is to look where the teeth are. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera. The teeth are right here, and you're going to want to match it up by looking under where you would slide in the RAM, and there will be a groove that will go in between those teeth, so you don't want to get it backwards. And generally, you can easily tell which side goes in by also looking at which way the old ones were in. So to put the first one in, you slide into the bottom row and push straight down. It will snap into place. And then the second one will be a little bit easier. All you do is the same as the one below. Slide in and push straight down. And both sticks of RAM are now inside the computer. But yeah, once you push down both sticks of RAM and they're secure and flat, you will take the back plate, again, the bottom housing, and just set it right back on top like you did before you took it off, like it came. You don't really have to line anything up too particularly, too specifically. It's nothing hard. You just place it on top. There's only one way it can go, and then start rescrewing in all of those screws. I accidentally turned on my Xbox. There we go. I'm putting them in first so I can just quickly screw them in and get it done for the sake of the time being, but that's pretty much how you do it. You're pretty much done once you get these screws back in. Start up your computer and check that all the sticks of RAM are shown by going to the top left of your screen, clicking on the Apple icon, selecting About This Mac, clicking on Advanced Settings or Show Me More if it's an option. If not, you have a newer Mac software, it will just show you straight up. You don't have to click anything else. It'll show you graphics cards, displays, hard drive capacity, and especially RAM or memory, you click on that tab and it will show you 2 sticks of whatever RAM you install. You can install 1 gigabyte and a 4 to make 5 total. You can install 2 4s to make 8. On the newer Macs, you can even install 2 8 sticks and make 16 gigabytes of RAM, but this is a 2009, it will only take 8 total. So that's pretty much it. After you flip it over, turn it on, and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching. So the last part of this video will be to make sure that you actually installed properly your RAM, your memory. So you will click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, click on Next About This Mac. Now you'll either get a window like this or you'll already get to this next window. I'll show you in a second depending on what software, Mac OS X or OS X Lion, Yosemite, or El Capitan you have. Click on More Info real quick and go to Memory, and see I must have made a small mistake, as 4 gigabytes is only detected, the other slot is empty. That meaning one of those sticks is not properly installed. If you see 4 in both spots, that means you did this properly.